Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make desktop background that blurry on Windows 11. Choosing a high quality background gives your PC a clean, polished look and enhances the overall user experience. And here's a clear, friendly guide to fix blurry desktop wallpapers. First, right-click on the desktop, click Personalize, select Background from the left menu. Under Personalize your background, choose Picture. Click Browse Photos. Select a high-resolution image, preferably 1920 by 1080p or higher. Click Choose Picture. Find the Choose a Fit option. Select Fill or Fit. Avoid Stretch to prevent blur. And now, go back to Settings. Click System. Choose Display, then set display resolution to recommend or highest if available. Restart or refresh the desktop and your wallpaper should now appear sharp and clear. Extra tips to avoid blurry wallpapers. Use PNG or high quality JPG images. Avoid wallpapers smaller than your screen resolution. Disable third-party wallpaper apps. They auto-compress images. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.